Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you how you can fix a non-updating app on your iPhone. Please don't forget, friends, to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes under this video. And please write your comments. So, let us get started with you. First of all, please open the settings on your iPhone. Then go to General and then select iPhone Storage. Here you will need to check if you have enough memory on your iPhone so that you can install and update other apps. If you have a very clogged memory, then I recommend you to clear the memory first. Next, friends, you can go to the App Store app. After that, you can find each of the apps that you need manually and click on the Update option. This way, friends, you will update your apps. If unfortunately you are not able to do that, then I recommend you to open the settings. Next, select General. Scroll to the bottom. Now click Off so that you can reboot your iPhone. Very often, a simple reboot can solve many problems, including the problem with app updates. If that didn't help, then I recommend that you go back to General. Now go to System Update and see if your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. If not, then please update your iPhone to the latest version first. Then try updating the app already. If unfortunately that didn't help you either, then the last thing I can recommend is to reset your iPhone to system settings. To do this, please select General. In Settings, scroll down to and select Reset and Transfer iPhone. Next, Reset and select Reset All Settings section. With this reset, your iPhone will look like new. All the settings, all the data will be deleted from it. Keep this in mind. And when you decide to take this step, that after resetting all your data, settings, media files, contacts, and so on, all this will not be further on your iPhone. You will have to reinstall everything. These are the methods, friends, to fix the non-updating app on iPhone. I really hope the video has helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write comments, and put your likes. Bye, everyone.